وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lithani yafqahu qawli. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. I welcome you all to Madina Book 3, inshallah. We'll be doing class 45 today. Continuing from where we left from last class, we'll be doing exercises from lesson number 13, inshallah. So what we learning in lesson number 13? So if we just recollect, we're doing about la mu'amar and we're doing about la nahiya, both of which represents talab, and when there is a talab, we all know there should be a jawabu talab. And we know whenever there is a talab and jawabu talab, there is a hidden shart in it, which can be used by, which can be, the shart can be brought out actually by using the particle in, which is a harfu shartin jazimun tajzimu fi'alaini, which will make two verbs into jazm. So these are the things which you have learned. So if we go forward and do some exercises, so let's see what's the first one is ayyin lam al amri fima ya'ti. So we know ayyin is your amr. From form 2, ayyana yu'ayyinu, to specify. Specify what? Lama. Lama is your maf'ulun bihi wa huwa mudafun al amri mudaf ilayhi. So specify the lam al amr fima yati, that which is coming. Wadbidha. So what is wadbidha? We know this is waw al ataf. So this is hamzatul wasl of amr from the word dabita yad bitu, to vowelize it bishakli, with the proper vowel sign. So let's get the first one. So we know whenever the lam amr begins the sentence, when it comes in the beginning, when there's no letter in front of it, so it will be lam with kasra. So this will be li yadhhab. So it will make the fa'al majzoom. So li yadhhab. So we know because yadhhab we cannot pronounce because iltiqai sakinini, we give a kasra to phonetic reasons. So it will be li yazhabit tullabul jududu. So we are giving command to that they should go. Who should go? Tullabul jududu, the new student should go ilal mudiri. So again, so now we're getting a waw al ataf here, and what happens with this lam now? So lam will get a sukoon. So the kasra is changed into sukoon as soon as there is a ataf, harf atf, which comes in waw lam ar waw fa summa. So it will be wal yarji'u. So how do we know yarji'u? Raja'a yarji'u is majzoom bi hadfi noon. It is yarji'una. So this noon has been dropped to make it majzoom. So the new student should go to mudir and they should return ba'da muqabalatihi, after his meeting. So again, qabala yuqabilu, that is your form 3, and muqabalatun is your masdar, and wahuwa mudaf and mudaf ilayhi here. Let's take number 2. So again, we know the lam amr, when it comes in the beginning, it will have kasra. So we'll give a kasra and it will make a fail mudari majzoom liyaktub. So again, we are giving command that he should write, but here who is the fa'il? At-tullabu. So the students. And what is al-ajwibata? So al-ajwibata, see if it is mansub, that is a maf'ulun bihi. So the students should write the homework. So al-ajwibata is your homework. Bil hibril azraqi. What is hibr means? Ink, and azraqi is blue ink, aw aswadi, or black ink. So here we're identifying your lam al-amr, which makes a fail mudari majzoom. So again here, for the phonetic reason, what do you say? Liyaktubit tullabu. Number 3. So again, lam will have a kasra and it will have fail mudari majzoom. So here we don't need to bring kasra because there is no iltaqai sakinaini. So it will be li nadhhab. So who is the fa'il here? Fa'il mustadir taqdiruhu nahnu, because it is li nazhab, that we should go ilal maktabati wal naqra. So again here waw ataf is coming, so lam al amr will get a sukoon, and again it makes a fi'l mudari' majzoom, so it will have a sukoon there. So we should go to the library wal naqra. So and we should read as-suhufa wal majallat. Wal majallati. Why majallati? Because it is jama muannath salim. So it, even if it is mansub, it will have a kasra here. So we should go to the library wal naqras suhufa wal majallati. So we should read paper and magazine. So it will be li yaqra kullu talibin hada ad-darsa wal yaktubhu. So now we should be able to, even if it is the vowel sign, we should be able to identify now. So this lam will have a kasra, so it will be and makes a mudari' majzoom. So li yaqra, who should read. So we say kullu is your fa'il wa huwa mudaf and talibin. So every student should read hada ad-darsa wal yaktubhu. Write what? Hada. So hada is a maf'ulun bihi, ad-darsa is your badal. So every student should write this lesson wal yaktubhu. So now we know that after before lam amr there is ataf, it will get sukoon, and he should write it. So this sentence applies to all our students who are studying and everybody who is learning Arabic, that liyaqra kullu talibin hada ad-darsa wal yaktubhu, that he should read and write this lesson. Number 5, li yusa. See again, li yusa, what will happen? So you'll get a sukoon, li yusa ed. But because there is again iltiqai sakinaini, you have to bring a kasra. So li yusa edit tullabu. So the students, and what type of students? The students should help. What is this fa'al? Yusa'idu. What is the form? Sa'ada, to help. Yusa'idu. So that is your alamatul mudari'a is dhamma, because it is 4-letter word, form 3. The students should help. Al-Qudama. So what is Al-Qudama? Here it is coming as a naat for tullab. So we don't see the dhamma here because it is a naqis word. So Al-Qudama is your naat. So the old students should help. At-Tullaba. So that is your maf'ulun bihi. Al-Jududa is your naat. So the old students should help. Should help whom? The new students. Liyabqa. So we know what is this verb. Liyabqa says it is baqiya yabqa. So originally we know there is a ya there. So this ya has been dropped to make it majzoom. So liyabqa is فعل مضارع مجزوم علامة جزمه بحذف حرف إلا. So حرف إلا is dropped. So even though if it is fatha, so we know it is majzoom. So he should remain. Who should remain? Kullu. Kullu is your fa'il. So everybody should remain. Kullu wahidin. Each one of them should remain fi makanihi, in his place. So if you just quickly analyze by yourself, so li, so lam will have a kasra and sin will have a sukoon. So li najlis al-an fil hadiqati. So we will sit, we should sit. So we translate, we should sit now in the garden. Thumma al-nadhab. See, thumma ataf come. What happens when ataf comes? The lam will get a sukoon. So it will be Thummal naktab. So now here linajlisil an, because of the phonetics reasons you say, and here the lam will get a sukoon. Thummal nazhab, and then we should go ilal masjidi. We should go to the masjid. So next exercise, adkhil. Adkhala yudkhilu. What form it is? Form 4. So if you see hamzatul qata in the amr form, that is form 4. So enter lam al amr على الأفعال الآتية وَضْبِطْهَا بِالشَّكْلِ. So bring lam amr in the following verbs and vowelize with the proper vowel sign. So let's see, very good exercise here. So we got fa'al mudari' and we have to bring lam amr and make it majzoom. So yadkhulu will be li yadkhul. It will be li yadkhul. So we get all types of different types of verbs, so we should be able to know ya'kulu. So we know ya'kulu in the amr form it will be kul, but in the majzoom it will be ya'kul, ya'kul, li ya'kul. So if we bring lam amr li, it will be li ya'kul. Nanamu, it's a very nice verb now. It is ajwaf al-wawi. So what happens in ajwaf? So we have to first see how it is made majzoom. So we have to take the dhamma and make it into a sukoon, and then because it's iltiqai sakinaini, the weak letter is taken away. So then what happens? It becomes yanam. So if you bring lam amr, it will be li yanam, but if it is nanam, it will be li nanam, li nanam. We should sleep, we should sleep. Yadhabuna. So we know yadhabuna, when we make it majzoom, so we take away the noon. So it is noon aata hai. When it becomes majzoom, it is noon jata hai. So it will be li yadhabu, li yadhabu. Fana'kulu, fana'kulu. So this fa is your ataf. So you know when there is ataf, what will happen? The lam amr, it will get sukoon. So it will be fal na kul. So it will be fal na'kul. So lam will get a sukoon. So we know this is a naqis fa'al. Nasiya yansa. So how do we make majzoom? Bihazafi harfi illa. So we bring lam amr, it will be li yansa, li yansa. Nadu'u, again we need to say this is naqis al-wawi. So da'a yadu'u. So yadu'u, how do we make majzoom? So bihazafi harfi illa, where we take away the waw. So what happens now when we bring lam amr? It will be li yadu'u, li yadu'u. Some more example. Yaqra'u wa yaktubu, reading and writing. So how do we make amr? How do you give command to somebody to write? So we say li yaqra, and because ataf, then the lam will get sukoon. Wal yaktub. So it is li yaqra wal yaktub. Yarka'u wa yasjudu will be again very straightforward. So li yarka wal yasjud. Najlisu huna wa naqra'ul Qur'ana. So how do we give command to ourselves? So we should sit here and we should read Quran. So it will be linajlis huna wa naqra'ul wa naqra'il. So if we say naqra'u, then it will be marfu form of mudari'. So we want to have majzoom. So that's why it will get a kasra. It will li wal naqra'il Qur'ana. So mashiya yamshi. So how do we make majzoom? Bihazafi harfi illa. So and we'll bring lam amr, it will be li yamshi, li yamshi. Yaqulu, again ajwaf al-wawi. So what happens when there is ajwaf? The weak letter is dropped because there will be iltiqai sakinaini when it is majzoom. So when what happens? Yaqulu will become yaqul, and when we bring lam amr, it will be li yaqul, that he should say, he should say. Yabi'u will be li yabi'. So again what happens here? That ya is dropped. The ya is dropped because it is a weak letter when it becomes majzoom because of iltiqai sakinaini. Li yabi'. We should sell. Ba'a yabi'u, to sell, And liyabi' means we should or he should sell. Yashtari is he brought. How do you make majzoom? So again bring lam amr and drop the weak letter which is ya here. So it will be liyashtari, that he should buy. So good exercise there. Hati khamsata amsilatin li lam amri fi jumlatin fi jumalin mufidatin. So bring 5 sentences using lam amr and we make a useful sentence. So just what we have practiced now, so you can say anything. So ليدخل الطلاب قاءة الاختبار. Which means that the students, you are giving command to whom? طلاب, the students. You are telling the students should enter قاءة. قاءة means examination hall. قاءة means examination hall. قاءة الاختبار. اختبار is your مضاف إليه, examination hall. So second sentence, if we say you want to go to masjid and to Masjid al-Nabawi and do salah, so we say لنذهب إلى المسجد النبوي ولنصلي, and we should read صلاة الجمعة, so the Friday prayer in Masjid al-Nabawi. So number 3, third examples. So linajlis, so we should sit في المطعم ولنشرب العصير. So you can drink and you can eat. You can say linajlis في المطعم لنأكل biryani. You can say we should eat biryani. So you can also say that every student should write his name in this paper. So how do you say that? ليكتب كل طالب. So ليكتب كل. So كل is your fa'il. So every student should write اسمه في هذه الورقة. So we can also bring the sentence like Abdurrahim gives us. Like سمع بلال أن هشاما مريض. So Bilal heard that Hisham was sick. فقال لأصدقائه, and he said to his friends, what did he say? لنعوده. So we should visit him. هذا يعود. So it is to visit a sick person. So زار يزور is to just visit, a casual visit, but هذا يعود is to visit a sick person. So these are some examples. So you can bring with your own composition, inshallah. So now we're going to learn about do example about لا ناهية. سبق أن درست لا ناهية الداخلة على الفعل المخاطب. That you have learned previously, you have learned that لا ناهية, it is entered in the فعل مخاطب. So in the second person, where you telling a person in front of you. Now يا أحمد لا تلعب. So for example, يا أحمد, don't play في الفصل, in the class. يا إخوان لا تذهبوا. So all this is all in the second person. لا تذهبوا. So we know لا تذهبوا is مجزوم بحذف نون. إلى المطعم قبل ساعة واحدة. So don't go to the restaurants قبل ساعة الواحدة, before 1 o'clock. يا آمنة لا تجلسي. So oh Amina, don't sit هنا, here, that's your verb. يا أخوات لا تفتحن. So don't open النافذة. So don't open the window. So these are the لا ناهية, where we have learned that it is used in the second person. So in the مخاطب. So now we've learned in this lesson that وتدخل. So that is لا ناهية وتدخل الفعل غائب أيضا. So in the third person as well. Now لا يخرج أحدكم من الفصل. So no one should leave from the class. So we're gonna do some more example about la and nahiya. So la and nahiya is nothing but lam amr in negation. Lam amr in negation is tufidu amr. So let's pick some examples. Idbit, again idbit, so we know it is vowelized bishakl al-afwal al-atiyati ba'da la nahiya fi ma yali. So after la nahiya, so what happens is, so that fa'al becomes majzoom, so we have to give a vowel sign. So very straightforward exercise here. La, so what do you say? Do you say la yadkhulu? So if you say la yadkhulu, it becomes la nafiya. So if you have to say la yadkhul, so you have to give sukoon. Ahadukum fasla fi athna darsa. So no one should enter, none of you. So it is ahadukum. So none of you or no one of you should enter the class fi athna darsi, in the middle of the class or during the lesson. So it will be la yad rib. So la yad rib, the sukoon. So okay, la yadrib ba'dukum ba'dan. So don't hit each other. So you can translate, but literal translation would be some of you should not hit some other. But you can also say do not hit each other. La tadkhul. So we know it is la tadkhul, but obviously because of the phonetic reasons, we will give you kasra. So what do we say? We say la tadkhulil jami'ata sayyaratul ujrati. So the taxi should not enter the university. So again we have to look for the fa'il. The sayyaratu is your fa'il for tadkhul, and ujrati is your mudaf ilayhi. La yaktub. So we should give a sukoon. So that's the whole exercise here. So we understand that la mu'amar and la nahiya will get a sukoon. La yaktub ahadun ala saburati bighayri iznil mudarrisi. So no one is should write on the blackboard without the permission. Bighayri iznil mudarrisi. Without the permission of a mudarris. Again, la yaktub. La yaktub, give a sukoon, and we'll give a kasra just for the phonetic reason. So if we don't know, if we Arabic, so we will just be reading without understanding why there is a kasra. So alhamdulillah, now with this knowledge, you understand why we have kasra with the fa'al. So that is just to connect the words. La yaktubit tullabul ajwibata bil hibril ahmari. So the students should not write the homework with red ink. So ahmar is your red. Hibr means ink. La ya'kul. So this is hadith of Prophet ﷺ where he said la ya'kul ahadun. So no one should eat. So this there will be a sukoon there. La ya'kul ahadun. No one should eat what? Bishimal, with left, which means with the left hand. No one should eat with the left hand. So la ya'khuz. So this normally seen in library. So what the notice? This is the notice which says la ya'khuz. So again we have to put a sukoon there. So ahadun, no one should take. Should take what? Majallati. Al majallati. So what is majallati? It is jama muannath salim. So the alamatu nasbihi al kasratu liyannahu jama muannath salim. So even if it is kasra, we know this is maf'ulun bihi. So no one should take majallat kharijal maktabati, outside the library. La yasub. So you know this is muda'af. So we know muda'af. How do we know it is majzoom? Do we give a sukoon? Yes, we do give a sukoon, but because we have repetition, this iltaqai sakinaini, so what happens is you give idgham and you give a fatha. So la yasubba. So we know this is a majzoom. So ahadukum akhahul muslim. Do not abuse or do not shout or do not slander. None of you, no one should abuse akhahul muslimu. So akha is your maf'ulun bihi. Alamatu nasbihi al-alifu li'annahu min al-asma'il khamsa. Who is mudaf ilayhi? And what is al-muslima? So again it is mansub. So akha is mansub. So that is coming as a naat. So why does he got al? Because akha is definite. Why akha is definite? Because mudaf ilayhi is definite. Because all pronouns are definite. So his Muslim brother. How would you translate? His Muslim brother. No one should abuse his Muslim brother. La yaqul. So again la yaqul. So we know why it is yaqul. Qala yaqulu. So because of iltiqai sakinaini, the waw is dropped, the weak letter is dropped, so we get la yaqul. So no one should tell me. So la yaqul li ahadun. So ahadun is your file. So no one should tell me fil mustaqbal, in future. What does she not tell? Inni nasitul kitaba awil daftari. Inni nasitu al kitaba awil daftara. So I forgot the book or the notes. So you should not. So number 12. عن ابن عمر رضي الله عنهما أن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال. So narrated from Ibn Umar رضي الله عنهما. أن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم said. What did he say? لا تسافر. So لا تسافر. That's the prohibition. Prophet ﷺ says that. Tusafir, so we're looking for the file al-mar'atu. So al-mar'atu means a woman. So no woman should travel. Safara yusafiru from the. So we know it will get the sukun, but it will be a kasra for phonetics. So la tusafiril mar'atu. So no woman should travel. Thalathata ayyamin, for 3 days. So no woman should be traveling for 3 days. Illa. So very soon we're going to learn this illa. It is in plus la. Illa except ma'a zi mahramin. So except with what she has. Zi is what she possesses of mahram. So unless accompanied by a mahram, she should not travel for more than 3 days. That's the hadith from Prophet ﷺ. لا تسافر المرأة ثلاثة أيام إلا مع ذي محرم. Rawahul Bukhari is narrated by Al-Bukhari. So that is your sukoon there, but you'll get kasra. So another hadith. عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. So narrated from Abi Hurairah رضي الله عنه from sallallahu alaihi wasallam that قال, he said, لا يمنع جار جاره. So again, la yamna. So what is this fa'al? Man'a yamna'u, to forbid, to stop, to prohibit, or to prevent. So who should not prevent? Jarun. Jarun means neighbor. So no neighbor should prevent. Prevent what? Jara. Who? His neighbor. So a neighbor should not prevent his neighbor for what? An yaghriza. So it is masdar mu'awwal. An yaghriza khashabahu fi jidarihi. So what it means here, so when two people are sharing a house, so if they have a, that is your sukun, and they have a common wall, and when you insert or plunge something into wall, so nowadays we put nail, so previously they used to put like a wood. So yaghriza is to plunge in the wall. So you take something and you hammer it. So if anybody wants to hammer in his side of the wall, so here khashaba means wooden thing. So normally you make a hole in the wall and hang something to hang on the wall. You insert a piece of wood. So Prophet ﷺ is telling, he's giving instructions to us that no neighbor should prohibit his neighbor an yaghriza, to plunge khashabahu, plunge his wood. So khashaba is a maf'ulun bihi for yaghriza, fi jidarihi, in his wall. So if you have a common wall, you should not prevent him from inserting something for him to hang on to. So that's the meaning. So لا يمنع. أمام كل جملة فيما يأتي فعل مضارع. So in front of each sentence there is a فعل مضارع. Comes a فعل مضارع in the following exercise. دعه في الفراغ. So use that verb in the blank مسبوقا appropriately. وضبط آخره and vowelize the end of it. Okay, so vowelize with لا ناهية. So let's take an example. So you have يجلس. So that is your فعل. So we have to use لا ناهية and your proper vowel sign. So how do we say? We say لا يجلس. So you say لا يجلس. أحدكم. So no one should sit في الطريق, in the way. طريق means in the way, in the passageway, you can say. So second we have يفتح. So يفتح, if you want to make لا ناهية, so I would say لا يفتح. So لا يفتح أحد. So no one should open. So أحد is your fa'il and بابا is your مفعول به. So لا يفتح أحد باب الفصل قبل أن يرن الجرس. So no one should open the door of class before أن يرن. So what is أن يرن? So here مصدر مؤول coming as a مضاف إليه, because قبل is your zarf and what comes after zarf مضاف إليه. So here you see, normally we see مصدر مؤول as مفعول به. Here it's coming as a مضاف إليه مجرور. يرن الجرس. الجرس coming as a file for يرن. So no one should open the door of the class before the bell rings. Third one, yazuru. So how do we make it majzoom with la nahiya? So we know when you get a sukoon here, so waw is taken away. So it become la yazur. So it will be la yazurni. Don't visit me al yawma, today. And who should not visit? Ahadun. So how do we translate? No one should visit me today. La yazurni al yawma ahadun. So again, yanamu. So again it is ajwaf al-wawi again. So when we know when it is ajwaf, the weak letter is dropped, so it will be la yanam. So la yanam ahadun fil fasli. No one should sleep in the class. So yabqa. So baqiya yabqa, to remain. So now we're telling no one should remain. La yabqa. So how do we make majzum bi hazafi harfi illa? So if you know all these things, then the things becomes very easy with ajwaf and naqis, muda'af, mithal. So how do we make, and then it will be very easy inshallah. So la yabqa. So no one should remain fil fasli ba'd al hissatil akhirati, after the last lesson. So again yajlisu. So we have to say, bring la nahiya. How do we do? We say la yajlis. So who should not sit? Looking for the fa'il. Az-zuwaru. So we know az-zuwaru, it is means plural for zairun, visitor. So no visit, the visitor should not sit. Where? Indal maridi. So near the patient. Akthara min. So akthara min is that is your superlative. More than. So more than what? Rub'a sa'atin. Rub'a sa'atin means quarter of an hour. That means 15 minutes. So no, it's not no here. The visitors should not sit with the patient more than 15 minutes. So now we got two verbs here, yadkhulu and yakhrujuna. So we know yadkhulu, you make yadkhul, and yakhrujuna, you make majzum by hazafinun, which is yakhruju. So now we have to bring la nahiya. So we say la yadkhulil. La yadkhulil. So we know why it is kasra. Who should not enter? At-tullabu. The student should not enter. Qa'ata. Qa'ata means hall. Hall of what? Imtihani. Qa'at al-imtihani. Examination hall. Qabla sa'a sabi'a. Before 7 o'clock. So no, the student should not enter the examination hall before 7 o'clock. Wa. So now we're getting ataf. So what happens to la nahiya? So la nahiya remains la nahiya. So it is not like wal, it is la. So wala yakhruju, and they should not go out minha. Minha means from qa'ata. So from it qabla sa'ata thamina, before 8 o'clock. So the student should not enter before 7 o'clock and should not go out before 8 o'clock. Yaskhar. So we know yaskhar, it always comes with min. So always remember, so yaskhar always comes with min. So yaskharu, you have to make la yaskhar. So to make fun. So to laugh at or to make fun at. So la yaskhar ba'dukum min ba'd. So do not mock each other. That's how you can translate. But literal translation will be, some of you should not mock at some others. Or should not make fun of others. So do not make fun of each other. Yarfa. Yarfa'u will be yarfa. So bring la nahi will be la yarfa. So la yarfa ahadun. So no one should raise. Rafa'a yarfa'u, to raise. No one should raise what? Sawtahu, his voice. Fil masjidi, in masjid. Taktubu. So we know taktubu. So make so when we see ta, so if it is third person, so we know this is talking about hunna. So the feminine noun we're looking as a fa'il. So la taktubit talibatu. So la taktubit talibatu. The female student should not write what? Asma'ahunna. So their names. Fi dafatiril jami'ati. So this is a tanween, this is mistake here. It has to be single kasra because it is becoming a mudaf. In the notebook of university, so nobody should write their names. Who? The female students. So we're going to quickly do this one as well. Al-jazimu fi'lan wahidan arba'atu ahruf. So we know the particles which make a fi'al mudari' majzoom. So we've done in, lam, lamma, wal, falli. But among those, we know in, it's tajzimu fi'alaini. So it makes two fi'als majzoom. But here, Dr. Abdul Rahim is bringing particles which make one fi'al majzoom only. They have their effect only on one fi'al. Whereas in has effect on his two fi'als, on shart and jawabu shart. So what are the particles which have effect on one fi'al? So those are what we have learned: lam, lamma, la, lam amr, and la nahiya. So, and what are these called? These are called jawazimul mudari'ah, which makes mudari'ah majzoom. So we're gonna bring one example from the Quran and see how these particles are used. So for lam, we have kama fi qawli ta'ala, kama fi qawlihi ta'ala, as mentioned by him, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Alam naj'al. See, alam naj'al. Did we not make lahu, for him, aynaini. So aynaini is your maf'ulun bihi mansubun alamatu nasbihi al-ya'u li'annahu musanna. So aynani, it becomes aynaini. Did we not make him? So we know lam makes the mudari'ah majzoom, but it is makes the meaning in the past tense. Means, did we not make for him two eyes, a pair of eyes? Walisanan. So walisanan is singular, so it is that's why it's called tanween. A tongue. Washafatain. Shafatain means lips, two lips. So shafatani becomes shafataini. Alam naj'al lahu aynain wa lisanahu wa shafatain. Lamma. Lamma means not yet. So it has the same meaning as lam. So it makes one fi'al mudari' majzoom. So here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Surah Hujurat, verse 14. Walamma. So not yet. Yadkhulil imanu fi qulubikum. So the iman has not entered yet. So that's how you translate. So the iman has not yet entered. Where? Fi qulubikum, in your hearts. So lamu amr, kama fi qawlihi ta'ala, فَلْيَنْظُرِ الْإِنسَانُ إِلَى طَعَامِهِ. So the man should look, the insan, the mankind should look at what? At his food. Surah Abasa. So la nahiya kama fi qawlihi ta'ala, la tahzan inna allaha ma'ana. So this is Prophet ﷺ, actually he is telling to Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu in Ghar al-Thawr when they were traveling from doing hijrah. So when Abu Bakr was bit afraid for Prophet ﷺ, and he said, what if they find us, we are two and there are many. So Prophet ﷺ says, La tahzan, don't be sad, we are not two, we are three. How? Inna Allah ma'ana, truly Allah is with us. La tahzan, so that is la nahiya. So now we're just gonna see what Dr. Abdul wants from us to do is hati salasata amsilatin lin la nahiya ad-dakhilata al-fi'l ghaib. So we have to bring 3 sentences in third person. So you can do from own composition. So I'll leave it to you, these 2 exercises. So la nahiya. So we've been doing second person, like la tajlis, la ta'akul, la taktub. So you have to use in third person, la yajlis, la yaktub, la ya'kul, and you can say any sentence, any simple sentence. And the next exercise is hati arba'a jumalin. So bring 4 sentences min inshaika, from your own composition, tahwi, just containing kullu wahidatin minha, each one of the sentences, harfan yajzimu fa'lan wahidan. So like the examples which we did previously now, lam, lamma, la, lama amar, and la nahiya. So bring one of sentence for each and make 4 sentences. So I will leave it to you all to write, make an effort and write those sentences. Make very simple sentences and inshallah it will make you strong. So this brings us to end of class 45, and inshallah we'll continue with the exercises in our next class and do another interesting concept. Until then, keep writing, keep practicing. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.